Hello everyone. If you watched my channel last winter, you may have seen when my tractor's battery began failing like this. I ended up keeping it on a float charger until spring. It actually worked just fine after that until our first cold day this winter. This is probably the original battery that came new with the tractor. It's 7 years old, it's failing, it's time for a new battery. For reference, I ended up learning that this is the front of the battery, as indicated by the arrows. And we can see the negative terminal on the left side, so the positive terminal is on the right. The original battery in this Craftsman tractor is of course a die-hard. To keep it simple, I got a new die-hard battery from Advanced Auto Parts. These batteries are group size U1, and the original battery had a 230 cold cranking amp capacity, like the one pictured here. But I thought as long as I'm buying a new battery, I'd like to get something a little better. I found this size U1 battery that has a 340 cold cranking amps capacity. So it was the right size 12 volt battery with more cranking power, so I ordered it online and went to the store to pick it up. Unfortunately, I made a mistake. I failed to consider which side of the battery the positive terminal is on. And the battery I got has the positive terminal on the wrong side. So I had to put it in backwards and adjust the positive battery cable to accommodate the different terminal location. I'm lucky I didn't need to replace it. So before I start removing this battery, I'll just mention a little safety tip, which is, which terminal should you remove first? Should you remove the positive side or the negative side first? Well, it's very simple. You always remove the negative side first. Why? Well, imagine this is a car, or that this metal here was extended up here. This is just plastic junk, but suppose that was metal and you're working with a wrench, you can short out to the frame. All right, always remove negative first, because if I touch the frame and the battery terminal, it wouldn't matter. They're both negative. Okay. I had this installed to plug in my float charger. Hopefully now that I'm going to install a new battery, I won't need that anymore. That provides a pretty decent rubber strap. Notice that the battery came with an insulating cover on only the negative terminal. That helps to keep you safe while you're handling the battery around the metal frame of the vehicle. In order to finagle the positive cable position to accommodate the new location of the battery terminal, I had to loosen the positive cable termination on the starter solenoid. I could have avoided this by ordering the same battery, but with the positive terminal on the right-hand side. Yeah, that would have been better. Okay, I'd like to give a shout out to Flying Sparks Garage and Advance Auto Parts. There's a link for Flying Sparks Garage in the description below. Flying Sparks Garage provides their viewers with a 25% discount on online purchases. When I bought my battery, I didn't notice the discount doesn't apply to batteries, as seen here. But I forgot to use the Flying Sparks Garage discount when I placed the order anyway. I called Advance Auto Parts customer service after the fact to ask if I could apply the discount. The service rep told me discounts don't apply to batteries except Speed Perks rewards. But he manually adjusted my order to give me the discount anyway. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And a big thank you to Advance Auto Parts and Flying Sparks Garage.